Interview question number 1. Automotive mechanic A says that a longer piston stroke creates more engine torque. Automotive mechanic B says that a shorter piston stroke allows for higher engine RPM. Who is correct? Answer: both mechanic A and B are correct. Interview question number 2. Automotive mechanic A and B are discussing how to obtain the most accurate results when testing cranking compression on a gasoline engine. Auto mechanic A says the battery must be fully charged. Auto mechanic B says at least 5 compression pulses should be made on each cylinder while watching the gauge. Who is correct? Answer: both automotive mechanic A and B are correct. Interview question number 3. All the following components are common to all ignition systems except spark plugs. B. The ignition coil. C. A device for triggering the ignition coil. D. Distributor. Answer: distributor. Interview question number 4. Which of the following does the ignition system use to convert relatively low voltage and high current flow into very high voltage and very low current flow? Induction coil. Ignition switch. Ignition module. Spark plugs. Answer: induction coil. Interview question number 5. What instrument is typically used to measure the crankshaft main bearing journal? Answer: outside micrometer. Interview question number 6. Which of these fuel systems places the fuel injectors in the cylinder head, where they can spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber? Answer: gasoline direct injection. Interview question number 7. What is the maximum percentage of cylinder leakage allowed by most auto manufacturers? Answer: 20%. Interview question number 8. Auto mechanic A says that measuring piston ring end gap in the cylinder bore will verify that the rings are properly sized for the bore. Auto mechanic B says that measuring piston to cylinder bore clearance determines the compression ratio of the cylinder. Who is correct? Answer: auto mechanic A. Interview question number 9. Auto mechanic A says to never delete or reset diagnostic data until all testing has been completed. Auto mechanic B says to always erase any codes or data prior to diagnosis to see if the code resets. Who is correct? Answer: auto mechanic A. Interview question number 10. Auto mechanic A says a cylinder head made of aluminum alloy cannot be checked for cracks with the MagnaFlux process. Auto mechanic B says the aluminum head can be die tested for cracks and pressure checked for leaks. Who is correct? Answer: auto mechanic B. Interview question number 11. Auto mechanic A says that hybrid battery packs are cooled with a water and propylene glycol mixture. Auto mechanic B says that hybrid battery packs are cooled with air. Who is correct? Answer: auto mechanic B. Interview question number 12. For scavenging to work. Answer: both intake and exhaust valves are open. Interview question number 13. When the piston is at the top of its travel farthest away from the crankshaft, its position is known as. Answer: top dead center. Interview question number 14. The water pump in a vehicle's cooling system uses what type of pump? Answer: centrifugal pump. Interview question number 15. The piston engine uses the crankshaft or camshaft to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. Answer: crankshaft. Interview question number 16. Which of the following is one of the first steps an automotive technician should take when a customer reports excessive oil consumption? Answer: find out the oil consumption allowance specified by the manufacturer. Interview question number 17. The piston engine uses the underscore to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. Answer: crankshaft. Interview question number 18. Auto mechanic A says that if an engine is losing oil, but no leak source is found after a visual inspection, the technician should overfill the crankcase by adding 2 extra quarts, and force the leak to get larger. Auto Mechanic B says the technician should add a fluorescent dye to the engine oil and operate the engine while using a black light to find the leak. Who is correct? Answer: Auto Mechanic B. Interview question number 19. Some manufacturers require the head bolts to be loosened in a specified pattern. Which of the following should you be aware of when removing a cylinder head? Answer: find out the oil consumption allowance specified by the manufacturer. Interview question number 20. Which of these has the function of monitoring the noise that is created by a pressure spike in the combustion chamber? Answer: knock sensor. Interview question number 21. The percentage at which a cylinder is filled with air when it is running is known as? Answer: volumetric efficiency. Interview question number 22. What unit of measure can be used when testing engine compression and cylinder leakage? Answer: pounds per square inch or kilopascals. Interview question number 23. For a gasoline engine, the optimum air-to-fuel ratio by mass is about? Answer: 14.7 psi to 1, air-to-fuel ratio. Interview question number 24. Which of these fuel systems places the fuel injectors in the cylinder head, where they can spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber? Answer: gasoline direct injection.